Stop by and take a look at the 2021 RX. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front, on-off-road, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.